good, YouTube? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good. I know I've been gone for a while. I've been gone because of work. I've been a little busy lately. But today I got something special for you guys. I will be installing an instant strut bar. Here it is. It's not on yet. I just have it here so I can show you guys. I did buy this one off eBay. I bought it off eBay for about, I believe it was 80 bucks or so. 80 bucks with free shipping, which the shipping is always good. So for the strut bar, I mean, it's technically not recommended. It is recommended. It's like personal preference. The strut bar is mainly to keep your chassis of the car, the whole engine bay, running at a more straighter way. That also helps for the car to maintain a more of a balanced. I don't really know how to explain it, but it has its pros and cons. The foot-pounds of torque that I'm gonna have to torque the bolts down is I believe 25 to 30 foot-pounds of torque. And then the strut tower does have 1, 2, 3, so it does have these three bolts along with that side. So the tools you will need are a torque wrench and a normal wrench with a 13 millimeter. Yeah, 13 millimeter. And then the first thing you're gonna want to do is obviously remove all three. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's do that first. Okay, so let's start taking them off. It's gonna be a little difficult, but here we go. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take off these bolts. And those bolts, and then I'll pick up the video right now. Okay, so I was able to get off the bolts. Okay, so the next thing would just be putting the strut bar on top of the strut tower. Alright, y'all, so what we got left is pretty much just putting the bolts back on. Putting the bolts back on each hole, and then having to torque it down with the torque wrench. Do that real quick, and I'll pick up the video right now. All right, guys. I was able to do it. I was able to put them back. Make sure you guys put them first with your hands. Make sure you guys first spin it, put it back with your hands first. And then after that, make sure you guys grab the wrench. Grab the wrench and then use that, and then afterwards make sure you guys gotta torque it. I got an extension and a 15 millimeter. Make sure you guys torque it to its recommended torque, like the foot-pounds is what it requires. Mine did use 30, like I mentioned earlier, 30 foot-pounds. If it doesn't, make sure you torque it right, because if you guys don't torque it right, you can damage the strut. You can either do it too much or do it too less, which can result in you breaking the bolt. If you guys do it right, it's all good. You guys got nothing to worry about. But yeah, let me show you. It's set. Everything is set. The bolts are good. Bolts are good on both sides. Everything is good. The engine bay doesn't need a wash. I gotta give it a wash pretty soon. But other than that, it was good. Definitely makes the engine bay pop out a little more. I also got some different valve caps, so it kind of matches the calipers and the red part of the red theme of the car. But yeah, man. I mean, other than that, hope you guys like it. Definitely excited. And then I do have some V-brace inserts that I want to install soon. So for these part of the grill, so y'all know how this opens up when the fan turns on. So I mean, hope you guys liked the video. If you gotta drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon.